Oh, Hey guys, Jake with EDC Leather. Normally I'm behind the camera, but today I'm in front of it because I'm the only one here and I want to talk to you about our new template set, the Flap Wallet template set. Makes an awesome little wallet. Looks just like this here. Focus. There we go. Looks just like this here. Awesome little flap wallet. It's a single pocket wallet. Holds a bunch of cards. Normally when you think of like minimalist wallets and stuff, you think, oh, I'm gonna have to get rid of some of my cards, or I'm gonna have to pick through my cards and take some out. You know, I'll tell you what, guys. I used to be a trifold guy with a big old fat trifold, and I switched over to this little card wallet. This here's my wallet. I've used this every single day for about 6 months, and it's awesome. I found out some cool little things about it. You can have cards here in the front, cards that you access a lot. As you can see, my Come and Go rewards card, you know, get that cash back on gas. And we found out that this wallet's capacity is about 13 cards in the main pocket and about 3 on that front strap. So you're looking at a 16 card capacity. And plus, you can take cash and fold it up, put her back behind your cards or in front of your cards, however you feel, and then tuck it down with the flap over it, and people can't see that you got cash until you open it up. You know, it is just an awesome little card wallet. Loads of room for your own personal design, and you can put a lot of cool touches on this bad boy. On this here, right, this one that I made here, super duper simple. We just put some Carnauba cream on it. This here is Fiebing's Carnauba cream. You can purchase it wherever you purchase Fiebing's. We get ours at Springfield Leather, you already know that. Great people, great products. If you ever have any problems, you just call them, let them know. They'll fix you right out. They're awesome people, super duper awesome. You can also take this here's called the Orion Wax, Orion Dyeing Wax. This is the cognac color. Take and put like a few drops of that into your Carnauba. It'll give you a beautiful light brown that doesn't have the hassle of light brown dyeing, right? Sometimes when you dye light brown, right, you just see some of the just terrible imperfections under the leather that you didn't even realize. With this stuff, you don't have to worry about any of that. Like I have not dyed something with this Orion Wax and Carnauba cream that doesn't look good. So once again, that's just, you take your Carnauba cream, put a little thing out on a tray or in a bowl, whatever. Take your Orion Wax, drop a few drops in there, mix her all together, rub it on real good. You gotta rub it on real good. And then after you rub it on real good to where it's kind of, it's rubbed in, you know, you're gonna take a horsehair brush and just very, very quickly, just run it over. Shines up beautifully, puts an amazing texture on it that people will absolutely love. As you already know, Hagel's Slickin' Solution. It's the only thing we use if we're not waxing over the edge. It's just amazing. It works on a little bit of everything. Your weight on these, right? You're looking at a 3-ounce weight. That's personally what I prefer. You can go up to 5/6. But at 5/6, I feel like it's a little thick. Some people might like that though, right? You can also do loads of cool stuff with this. Like for example, we had an idea, right? Take 2 of these wallets, smash them together and stitch them together. You got a pocket in the middle, and then you got your 2 straps and you got your 2 inside pockets. Loads of storage, and you're breaching the edge of a minimalist wallet, but it's pretty close. You can probably call it a minimalist wallet. You can also do things like putting exotics here on your strap if you want to, or you can do a whole wallet exotic, why not? You also, here on the strap, you have a beautifully large space for any form of branding, anything like a Maker's Mark stamp, if you got one like that. If you didn't notice, on mine, we have an EDC Leather stamp that is just text, and that's what I put on mine. You can also do cool things like if you need more card storage, right? Like people need more card storage. You can extend from the center here. We have 2 holes marking the center. You can extend out from the center of this here pattern and then you can welt. You can welt this card wallet and super, super duper extend the amount of storage that you can have in a card wallet. This is an amazing little card wallet. It's super duper fast to put together and super duper fast to finish, and people love it. It's a great little thing to just throw out on a table if you're doing some kind of a trade show or a gun show or anything like that. You know, just an awesome little thing. People love it very much. That's why we wanted to bring it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to connect with us on Facebook and Instagram, either EDC Leather or EDC Gun Leather. I don't remember which ones we have on there. You can check out our website, edcleather.com. As this video publishes, these templates are going to be up, so you guys can purchase it. Purchase price is going to be $14.99, I believe, on these. And so as soon as this video is up, if you want it, you can go get it. We'll ship her in a day or two. Hopefully USPS will do their job and get it to you in a timely manner. We know how much trouble they have with that. No hate to USPS workers. We know you're trying your best, but we just love to hate on you. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That really, really helps us out here on this here YouTube channel. So, hope you all have a good day. Thank you very much for watching.